Let's all just mob the flag. We have a limited respawn. Everyone, on 3. Hey, we're running, everyone, come on. 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. We're out here paintballing. The Revent team versus Rod. Look at these guys.
Easy dub.
God damn, they're deep though. There's like 6 of us. There's like 25 of them. Let's go. We got the Califano boys for the Revent team. What's up, scrubs? Hey, no heavy jackets, no heavy jackets. Wow, today is gonna be a day, I tell you. We're outnumbered, but so are they at the Alamo. Courage, valor, strength. That's what we're gonna be showing out there. Look at this guy. He's got 4 layers on. Shame this man.
Man, we're gonna pick somebody and just get 5 shots, bro. Out of the whole year and release your anger.
Yeah, I think everyone's got Andrew's head on a stake.
Every single one of these guys are coming after Andrew.
I know.
Every single one.
Javier, how bad do you want to f up Andrew? Get your brother. He's got like 4 layers on. Look at this jacket. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's padding in here. What? What do we got? What do we got here? We got the Stormer. I'm gonna, dude, friendly fire, bro.
Just for the bid?
Yeah.
Your boss?
I got my mask.
Oh, you got your mask already? Keep that barrel stand on for me.
Hey, there's a shot.
Going paintballing gone wrong. Title. Boom.
Ooh.
People like the drama.
Yeah, you're right.
I got the $1 million pool you should have put. Failed.
The $1 million pool fail.
Whenever
Catastrophic failure. Man, I'm already breathing hard. I'm nervous.
Today we're going to be playing team deathmatch. I'm going to be going around. I'm going to be putting an armband on you. Stop firing. Listen, eyes and ears, butts up. We're going to be playing team deathmatch. You're going to be coming around putting an armband on you. You'll have one of one color, orange or green. I decide what team you're on. Your objective is to kill the entire enemy team until there are none remaining. Guys, when you are hit anywhere on your mask, your body, your gun, or your pack, you are out. You put your gun in the air. You say, I'm out. A referee will say, he is out. She is out.
I'm ready to fire.
Hey, left side, left side! No! I'm out! Someone snuck up on me. Oh, he's out!
Switch side. Yeah, they're out. Side.
Damn, dude,
Switch
you snuck up on me.
No, you good, you good, you good.
We're gonna go, I'm gonna be on the left of this, someone needs to be on the right. We're just gonna light them up, and y'all need to go, go, go.
Oh, damn!
Dude, I don't know if I'm cut out for real war.
All right, guys, welcome to D-Day, Normandy, also known as Attack and Defend. Today, attackers, you will be moving your way uphill to capture a flag located either here or in the woods where that orange cone is. You guys see it, all the way over there. Attackers, for the first 60 seconds, you will get unlimited respawn. What that means is in the first 60 seconds, if you're an attacker and you're hit, you'll put your gun up, you'll wipe your hit off, you'll walk to the bottom of the hill where you started, and you'll reinsert to move your way back up the hill. Guys, if you're in a defender and you're hit, you're out. After 60 seconds, I'll sound my horn 3 times. You'll hear it, doot, 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 and you'll know resurrection is over. Yeah. Guys, you're trying to get one flag there or one flag all the way down and up, all the way over there.
That's it?
Yes, sir. You just need one to win.
Just grab it. We don't need to run it back.
Nope. You just need to grab it. You just need to touch that flag.
I'm gonna sprint up here.
Yeah, we're all gonna go far left. Don't shoot each other.
Right and then.
We gotta advance, guys. We gotta advance. We gotta advance. Guys, we have unlimited respawn. Let's all just mob the flag. We have unlimited respawn. Everyone, on 3. Hey, we're running, everyone, come on. 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. That hurts so bad. Dude,
We jumped on top of each other.
My pants came down.
Dude, I want to see that because it had to look like 1,000 paintballs. I was like,
My pants came down, dude. And me and them were like the Three Stooges, like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
you fell and Andrew like jumped on top of you.
That hurt so bad,
That
dude.
was so funny. I emptied a full entire hopper.
Alright, guys, listen up. This game mode, we're gonna keep it nice and simple. I'm gonna have one team start in the north, one team start in the south. Object of the game, fight your way across the field, obtain the enemy flag. All you need to do is pull the flag to win.
Got one. Hey, he's out. Paint check. Paint check on him. Got him in the gun. I got him in the gun. He's out! Okay. Yeah. Damn it! Where? Hey, advance. I got you. Advance! Advance! Y'all come up! This is called the bunny run. All these sad, sorry, scared are gonna shoot us. The whole Revent squad.
Runners are going to be moving their way from one side of the field to the other all together. Guys, if you see a runner trip, fall, lose their mask, stumble, hit anything, you stop firing. You will hear me sound my horn and you will immediately stop firing. Okay, guys?
Right. I'll be on this side of you.
Okay. Yeah! Yeah, man! I got it like twice in the ass.
I didn't get shot once. What? No.
Same, bro. That was weak.
I didn't get shot once. Oh, shit. They love me.